If you do one thing on LinkedIn this week, do this. Hey, I'm Sarah Clay. I'm a LinkedIn trainer. I work with entrepreneurs and I work with companies helping them with employee advocacy. And anybody, any of you listening can do this. What am I talking about? What I'm talking about is adding a call to action at the bottom of your LinkedIn posts. Adding a call to action at the bottom of your LinkedIn post can really help engage your audience. It can create brand awareness and it can get your audience to do something. So that's what a call to action is. It's a strategy for asking your audience to actually do something and take action. What kind of things could you add as your call to action at the bottom of your LinkedIn posts? You could ask people to comment below. You could ask people to follow you on LinkedIn or connect with you on LinkedIn. You can direct people to go elsewhere, for example, to a landing page. If you've got a course or a program that you're running or you're selling something else and it has its own landing page, you can ask people to go there and have a look. You can ask people to go to your YouTube channel. So I would love you to do that. Go and connect with me on YouTube, go connect with me on YouTube, follow me on YouTube and have a look at my channel. So there's many different things that you can get people to do. You can ask people to follow your hashtag if you have your own branded hashtag. So adding a call to action at the bottom of your LinkedIn post will ensure that that call to action is the last thing that people have read and they're more likely to take action. So don't underestimate the power of adding a little call to action at the bottom of your posts. Separate it from the rest of your text. Give people a reason to take action. If you've enjoyed this post, please comment below. It is a fantastic call to action. It's achievable. And that's one of the things about a call to action is it needs to be one thing and it needs to be achievable and quick. So please take this seriously. Have a think about what kind of call to action you can add to your next LinkedIn post. It doesn't always have to be the same on every post. It can be, but it doesn't have to be. Make sure your call to action is relevant to that post and to you so that it's always on brand. But adding a call to action is a very simple thing for your audience to do. So I urge you to do it on your next post. I'm Sarah Clay. If you've enjoyed this post, please comment below. Please follow me on LinkedIn if you're not already. And just keep an eye on my tips and my tricks because there are many. Look forward to connecting with you really soon. Catch you later.